Today we'll talk about how can you disable make updates notifications on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications and messages here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down. Then you just come here to, so you keep going down here. You click here on market updates here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to market updates, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my market updates disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.